Hey, it's Matt from Sunshades. Welcome back. This is another how-to video with our Hunter Douglas products. Today we're going to look at how to operate the shades without any cords at all. Hunter Douglas has an operating system called Lite-Rise, and it works for almost every single one of their products. This is the Hunter Douglas vignette. This shade is shown actually in a top-down and bottom-up operation. Again, no cords at all. They have little handles. You can reach up and drop this shade from the top down, allowing privacy within your room but still natural light to come in. You can also close it all the way up, and if you like, you can raise it up from the bottom and have a nice Valance looking like shade in your window. This is a great option with the vignette by Hunter Douglas. On this side, we have the Hunter Douglas roller shade. No cords at all. Again, a nice convenient handle at the bottom so that you're not touching any fabric with your hands. Just a easy motion up. Wherever you stop, it stops. It's not like the old school roller shades where you're tugging up and down just to get it up. Real easy. Wherever I stop, the shade stops. You can bring it all the way up, hide it, completely concealed in its own cassette. And again, just grab the small handle and bring it down wherever you like. That's the Hunter Douglas roller shade. This shade, also in a Lite-Rise operation, meaning no cords whatsoever, is the Duet Duo Light shade. Actually, two shades in one with a top-down, bottom-up feature. Really cool option. You can drop the shade from the top by touching the handle. You can leave this at any point you want in the window. We've got privacy and room darkening on the lower half, sheer on the top half, tons of light, and a nice view. And if you want, you can actually go the other way as well. You can raise the shade up from the bottom, and this product stacks nice and tight all the way up at the top. Bring it down, and you again can drop your sheer from the top. Very nice. Again, all with no cords, not touching any fabric, using the little handles that are provided on the shade. Great option for the Hunter Douglas Duet. The last product we're going to look at today with the Hunter Douglas Lite-Rise option, meaning no cords whatsoever, is the Hunter Douglas Nantucket. Also available in the Silhouette, which is a super similar product. It has a nice clear tab at the bottom. You can close the vanes by clicking it down, leave it in the window. If you want to pop it back open, you tilt the opposite way. Very easy operation to open and close. And then to go up, just raise up. Similar to the roller shades, wherever you stop, the shade stops. Very easy operation. You can raise it all the way up, hide it. Keep in mind, any of these Lite-Rise options with no cords whatsoever, it is important that you're able to reach physically the top of the shade. If it was a really high window, you may only be able to get it up this high if you're unable to reach to the full top. Just a little note to keep in mind before ordering these shades. Thanks for joining us. That's our Hunter Douglas Lite-Rise operation. No cords whatsoever needed. Excellent option for children, elderly, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today.